to take the standard cat off and the O2 sensor, and then we're going to fit this bad boy. I'm going to show you a quick clip on how it sounds now with the standard exhaust, and show you what it sounds like with the cat delete. Let's get started. Right then, firstly what I'm going to do is remove the O2 sensor. Normally, there, it's a, don't quote me on this, I believe it's a 21mm. You can get the O2 sensor spanners that go onto that. For some funny reason, that's loose. So all I've used is just that, just to like nip it so it loosens off. So it should undo by hand when it's cool. What we're going to do next is jack up that side of the car, axle stands, so that the car's in the air securely, and then we'll get this baby off. Let's get the stuff. This is where the cat meets the downpipe. Fill this exhaust gasket off, so you've got access to all three of your bolts. Oh, that one don't even seem to be attached, so we'll get that one out. So 1, 2, 3, and then that should come apart from that, and then all it is the case of dropping that little bolt right there where my finger is, and that's it, should come off. So right, we'll get to it. It is a 13mm. Get on the end of that bad boy. Yep, yes it is 13mm. And then all we got to do is that top one up, that one there, and that should come away. Easy as that. On the wrong bloody thing. No, I'm not. That one there, beautiful. See, as I'm undoing it, it's coming apart. See the gap in that. It's quite easy really. 13mm bolts, and then that should come away. It's a bit tight there, but just get the spanner back on that and it'll come straight off. So essentially, there we go. That should come off like a dream. There we go. And all we got to do now is undo that hex bolt there. I don't know how well you can see that. Literally there, my little finger is there. Undo that, undo the spring on it, and then that should drop that out. I'll show you what it looks like from up. Basically, see where the little spring is there? He just unloads that, and then which undoes that clamp. But be very gentle with these because these can break quite easy. And then that's it. So, remove the oxygen sensor. So with the hand. There we go. And that's ready to drop out now, so just undo that bolt and we're good to go. This is what it looks like. It's under here. Loosening this bad boy off, and then the cat should drop out. Could be under here for about 10 minutes undoing this bolt because it's spring loaded, but it takes the mick. Yeah, you get the idea. Loosen it off, that clamp comes off, job done. I'll show you when it's all off. The cat is coming. Be gentle on the clamp though, because you don't bloody want to break that. There we go. Straight out like that. like that, big bugger. Here's the new gem, like that, lovely, 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 stunning. That's going to sound lovely, that is, promise. Now let's get this clamp off. Saying that, what you got to do is make sure the lip, it's like it goes all the way around like a Jubilee. You've got to make sure one side's on the manifold like so, and the other side's sitting flush. Because if it's not, and it's on an angle, so like the front's on and the back's off, it'll just line up crap, and then you'll have to loosen it off and do it up again. It's a right nightmare. So right first time, that's what we want to do. Partly in now. We've put it in there. Just got to line it up so it sits nice on there, and then we should be good to go. Just nip that up so it doesn't fall out. It's very loose at the minute, but now we should be alright. I would have thought a bit more. Oh, like a dream, like a bloody dream. Let's get it up. As I'm just hand starting it up, so I don't want to put too much movement on it, because trust me, it's a pain in the arse if it falls out. So better off nice and gentle and slow, and then when it's in, just nip it up. That's my tip. Next is just run one of these round up, just get the bolt in to hold it up. Remember, always use new washers, new bolts if you can, and new gaskets. So that one's in, and then like the rest, just push that one through, and then it will just, should theoretically just go straight in, as long as it's all lined up properly, which it's not, being a git. Ooh. There we go. Just a bit funky to get started, and then you can probably see the thread coming through, and then same on the top one, and then we should be all lined up then nicely. It is obviously, if both threads stick out like that, but they've only gave me 3 of these nuts. Surely I put a nut on that end and a nut on that end, but why have they only supplied me with 3? It's a bit weird. Any ideas, guys? I'll have to go to the shop or Alfred's and grab some 3 bolts, but it's a bit of a pain in the arse. Hand start the bolts, because you never want to cross thread, because then you'll be in a sticky situation. So always hand start, so then nice and on. Then one at the back. You can't see, but hopefully should be all nice. Fingers crossed, eh? So we're going to tighten that one up there, and then tighten these 3 up, and then see how we get on. I might get some exhaust paste for here just in case it blows, so we'll see. That's a good or bad thing. It was a while easy. Like before, I've done it on my own and I've struggled like hell. I haven't started it up yet, so I don't know if there's any blowing, but it was like cream putting that on. I've took the decat on and off about 2 times because I didn't know if I was selling the car or not, but now I've got that love back for it. I'm sticking with her, obviously show you lot the progress I'm doing. This was the cat, obviously, as you probably already saw. All I've got to do now is tighten up this O2 sensor, plug the O2 sensor in, make sure the bracket's all tightened up, which I have, that meets where the decat and the manifold meet, and then I've just got the 3 bolts underneath. Just make sure they're all tight, which they are, and then I'll start her up in a sec. So hopefully no blowing. Fingers crossed it starts up nice. If it starts up nice, please drop a like, just to show how good my work is, please. test it worked. Not one leak, nothing. That's the decat video done. I hope it helped. I hope you enjoyed it. And what I'll do is I'll do a little POV kind of drive so you can hear it. Probably won't make that much different, but when I do the downpipe, like the centre section and the back box delete, that'll sound a load better. I'm not too sure how well you can hear me or even see me at the matter. Just a little update on the decat, a pre-cap pipe. Basically, I'll try and explain the exhaust. So you've got your turbo engine, and then you've got what I've replaced is the pre-cap. So it just literally comes off the turbo and goes down, and then effectively makes a downpipe that goes to roughly about here where the seats are, and then that's where the cat is with the downpipe bit. And then you've got a rear section that goes over the rear axle, and that's, well, the rear section, and then obviously you've got your back box. So what I've just done is just replaced that that bit that comes off the turbo. It's a decat pipe, but it's not actually a decat because it hasn't threw any lights up. It's just a better flowing downpipe as such. It's got a lot more flowing. It does feel a lot more nimble when I put my foot down, but I'm not getting the sound that I thought I was going to get. I thought it was going to sound massively different, but it doesn't. There's not that much raw to it. Oh, we had a little pop. Hey, let's have a look, see what we're working with. Oh, we actually had a pop then. So 4,000 RPM. Oh, it is spitting. Oh, no way it is. Oh no, actually it is popping. I'll take that back. It is actually quite nice. If you don't want nothing too loud and you still want to pass your MOTs and you still want little pops and you're not like mad about being the loudest person on the street and you don't want to draw too much attention, then I'm guessing this would be ideal really. If you wanted to go a step further and you wanted a bit more noise, I'd probably get the rear section, the silencer removed, and keep the back box, because then you'd have a more free flowing front, then you'd have your cat, and then just remove the rear section, but then you still have your back box, so it won't be that loud. I'll try and put the GoPro in the back so you can get more of a in-depth feel. Yeah man, so far so good, actually sounds decent. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Comment anything, let me know anything. If you want to see anything, let me know. I just want to be true and honest to you lot. I don't want to come up with loads of bull crap and be like, oh yeah, look at this, when it's not possible. If you want to see something genuine and I can do it for you, then get in touch man. Appreciate it.